Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing half of my face with makeup and I'll let you know why. So I'm gonna do the first half of my makeup and then after that, whenever Reggie gets back, I'm gonna see if he can replicate it on the other side of my face. So after that's done, I'm gonna go grab Reggie and we'll see how he does. So let me speed through mine real quick. So I'm kind of nervous for how he's gonna do. I'm probably gonna like set out everything that I use. That way he at least knows what to use. But he's going to be doing it all by himself. He's done my makeup in the past. I don't know if you guys have seen the video of that, but it wasn't very good. So I'm hoping that he's learned something from watching me do it since then, but we'll see. Okay, so now I have one eyebrow done. And for the foundation, I already mixed up some foundation in this little cup because I've been using two different shades and mixing them together. I wonder if he knows that you're supposed to blend down your neck. I feel so weird putting makeup on just one half of my face. All right, so that is foundation on half of my face. And now I'm gonna do concealer and contour on this half as well. Okay, so now I contoured one side of my face. I really don't know if he's gonna know where any of this goes. And then I'm gonna bake underneath my cheekbone. How do you guys think Reggie's gonna do? Can we leave a quick comment in the comment section and predict how good Reggie's gonna do? Is he gonna do any of these steps right? All right, so while I'm letting this powder sit, I'm gonna do some blush on my cheeks. Then I'm gonna take my bronzer. And then for highlight, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in Golden Lights. But I lost the lid. When I'm doing my makeup, I always forget to talk like to the camera. So, sorry. Actually, I'm not sorry. And then I'm also putting this highlighter on top. It's Urban Decay Naked Illuminated. And then that's it for that. And I'm gonna make my eyeshadow really easy. So I'm just going to I'm gonna take Silk Cream from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And I'm just gonna use one color because I'm scared for Reggie. Okay, and then after that, I'm just going to wipe off my powder. And now I'm going to do my eyeliner and mascara and eyelashes. I'm really scared for him to put eyelashes on me. I don't know if he's going to or he might refuse, but I'm gonna try to make him. Okay, now I've got my eyelashes on. I'm gonna take my Kat Von D lipstick and I'm gonna put it on half of my lid. All right, and this is my finished makeup on half of my face. We're gonna see if Reggie can do the other half. I'm nervous.
Hey guys, I'm here now.
All right, so Reggie, do you think that you can do this?
Obviously, I can do it. My side's gonna look better than yours. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be starting with the Duo foundation.
That's eyeliner.
I'm gonna be starting with the Tarte foundation, right?
That's not foundation.
I'm gonna start with the Tarte bronzer.
Oh
are you sure this is literally foundation? Like,
no, it's not.
yes, it literally is.
No, it's not. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. You have to figure it out.
Some kind of makeup artist, huh? I'm gonna start with the Sauce Cup foundation.
Sauce Cup foundation.
Give me your egg.
Remember my last video where I asked you what I did first?
The foundation?
No, that's what you said. You don't even know what I said.
I said the Duo and you said no.
No.
Okay, so do you want me to put this in here or am I gonna run it?
I usually take my finger and put it on my face.
Is that what
Like
I'm supposed to do first?
No.
What do I do?
Eyebrows. And
Oh,
then
I know.
I cut out the eyebrows.
With the Duo.
You didn't know that.
With this.
No.
With this.
No.
With this.
You guys.
Oh, you start with your unibrow.
No.
Okay.
Hey.
I'm running out of things. I know.
Okay, now draw on my eyebrows like a good little boy.
What is this?
I'm not gonna hold it for you.
Okay, that's one eyebrow. Good.
What does that look like?
It's better than the other one, so you might have to fix yours.
Okay.
And now we do the foundation, obviously. 1, 2, 3. That's all you need. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And all over in there, and then you just pat it, scrape it in.
You use the beauty blender to scrape it in.
Oh, yeah, I know. Ready? And you just 1, 2.
Over the eyebrow that you put on.
Why would I want to cover up the eyebrows? Perfect. Okay, that's 4, and that's good. Now we're done. Moving on to the next step, and that is the bronzer. Where's that at? This one, obviously. Okay. Now you don't want to be too bronze, okay? And you just like a chalkboard, you just, okay? And with that, you just boom. Look at how bronze that is. Now where's the highlight? Where's the highlight? Where's the highlight?
The highlight is right here.
I know.
And then this is my highlight brush.
Okay. Okay, and then we just, see, you don't want to like lose your place. When you're reading a face, it's just like a book. You don't want to lose your spot. So if I'm like looking at your eyebrows, I get distracted for a second. I'm like, whoa, where the fuck was I? The lips or what was I looking at? You want to highlight just where you were. So if I'm looking at the nose, you start there. And then you want to go like just under the eyes and under the eyes.
Okay.
And you want to dip it one more time. And you go boom, 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 bah, bah. Yes! Okay, just like that. And then, then what?
Do you want to use the powder bronzer?
No. Okay. Same brush.
This brush.
And now you use the second bronzer if you want to get really bronze, and that's when you just boom, 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 and boom, boom, boom.
You just looked at my face and went, oh.
Honestly, I feel bad because now you have to redo your side because mine looks better.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, now I want to make the wing. How do I do the wing? What is this? Lipstick?
No, it's cheek color.
Okay, and that is just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Why'd you start on my nose if I called it cheek color?
I think you said cheat like you're cheating.
Cheek. Alright, so you wanted to do the eyeliner next?
Yes, the last part, right?
Yeah.
And that's just this guy right here.
So I did put on eyeshadow, but I made it easy for you. Do you want to do the eyeshadow?
Well, I usually do eyeliner first, but yeah, I guess if you want to be like unorthodox.
So I usually put concealer on my eyelid.
Okay.
That's not the concealer.
So you just want to put a dot like that. Just a dot, see? So
Okay.
just a dot is what you want to start with, and then you just pop it in. Kind of like that. See, I might have not used enough, but it's okay.
Perfect. And then, this is the eyeshadow that I used on my other eye.
Okay, so here you grab it.
Yeah. Don't do that.
Oh, I think I'm gonna go with this one. And
That's
let's go
the right
purple.
brush.
Which one? Okay, I want purple.
You want to do purple?
Yeah. Okay. And
I want you to go crazy on this eyeshadow.
okay, we're gonna go for a, you know that Pink Floyd album with the space pyramid? Okay, that's what I'm going for, that look.
Alright.
So then we go up. There we go. Fierce. That looks great.
That looks amazing.
Thank you. I know. Okay, and now we do the eyeliner, which is this.
Yes,
And I'm telling you right now, I'm not putting fake eyelashes on your face.
I literally told you guys he was not gonna do it.
I'm not putting
Please.
tweezers next to your eyeball.
No, you don't have to use tweezers.
I'm not even I don't want to do any of that. That freaks me out too much. Okay, and now most part about a symmetrical wing. Oh god. See, you open your eyes and it messed me up. And now we gotta do the wing perfect. Okay.
Oh Jesus.
I think it looks great.
Yeah, it looks great. I'm so happy. Now I have to do the other half. Alright.
Is that the end of it? Is that usually what you do?
Mascara.
It's what's that? One's that? This?
Yes.
The clipper?
No. Yeah, you do that first. Do you want to do that?
No. That looks freaky. Okay, so then this is the last thing. We just want to plump up the lids a bit. Can I get myself
Beautiful.
a mustache? I love it. Okay. And now we're done.
Lipstick.
Ah, which one's that?
You should be able to do this decent.
We'll see about that. It's funny how Cassie takes 3 hours to get ready every morning, and I literally just did this in what, 8 minutes? There's nothing wrong with getting a little bit on your teeth. Oh god. Well, okay, I think now we should get into the beautiful sunlight, and let's test out how it looks. Follow me, Cassie. Okay, so here's the before. Yeah, it's okay. And number 2. Everybody smash like for number 2. This looks great. See, Cassie didn't even do anything artistic with this one. Over here, we have a story.
You're right.
This thing tells stories. There's so many stories in here. This is like a trail representing like all kinds of
I'm so
stuff.
scared for what my face looks like.
It's really good. What the best part is you don't even have to finish the rest of your face or redo it because it's already perfect.
Yeah, awesome.
See, you can see how she kind of messed up the line on her lipstick, and then I kind of like followed through. So maybe you can blend yours back in.
Alright.
Anyways, yeah, I think it's great.
Yay! Alright, what do you guys think is better? Look 1 or look 2? Leave a comment. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. This was really hard for me to do.
Why was it hard for you to do?
What? I was scared. Bye guys!